Happy Saturday, guys! So we are here at Tatush Ridge Trail area. So that's the view of the Green Lake. It's so beautiful. And then the highlight is the Mount Rainier. It's beautiful still. Perfect weather. Ayan yung, that's the Green Lake. So green. So it's a 360, guys. We can see that's Mount Adam, and then that's a Mount Hood, and then that's Mount St. Helens.